Lion, known as the king of the jungle, lions live in prides and have loud roars. Elephant, the largest land animal, elephants have long trunks and big ears. Giraffes are the tallest animals, with long necks that help them eat leaves from high trees. Zebras have black and white stripes and live in herds in Africa. Kangaroos hop on powerful hind legs and carry their babies in pouches. Koalas live in eucalyptus trees and are known for their sleepy nature. Tigers are big cats with orange coats and black stripes, living in Asia. Dolphins are intelligent marine mammals that communicate with clicks and whistles. Penguins are flightless birds that waddle and live in cold climates. Monkeys are playful primates that often swing through trees. Parrots are colorful birds known for their ability to mimic sounds and speech. Polar bears are large white bears that live in the Arctic. Rhinoceros have thick skin and 1 or 2 horns on their noses. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of running up to 70 mph. Flamingos are pink birds that stand on one leg and filter feed in water. Octopuses have 8 arms and are known for their intelligence and camouflage abilities. Sloths are slow-moving animals that spend most of their time hanging upside down in trees. Monkeys are playful primates that often swing through trees. Crocodiles are large reptiles with powerful jaws that live in rivers and lakes. Lemurs are primates with big eyes, native to Madagascar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.